Plaintiff Katina Clemens says she's been friends with the defendant for over 25 years. And Katina claims the defendant constantly gets into fights at the club, so much so that she's been banned. Katina is suing her today for medical bills because the defendant's dog bit her 5 times. Defendant Lenine Porter insists she was never banned from a club and says Katina's the hothead who likes to fight. Lenine admits that her dog bit Katina, but she feels Katina provoked the dog.
Start with you.
Yes, Your Honor. Lenine Porter has been my friend for over 25 years, and I'm sorry I had to come to this for her to get it. She's very feisty, she's controlling, she's irresponsible, and she tries to be the boss of all her friends. She has a temper, and I just want her to get control of herself, and in turn, it will be control for the dog.
What do you mean control? How is she out of control?
For example, she's still doing stuff that we did 20 years ago. As far as going to clubs and dealing with, ex-boyfriends.
Engaged in reckless behavior?
Reckless behavior, yes, sir. She's fighting in the club.
Oh, Lord.
And
how often has she done that in the last 10, 15 years?
Your Honor, she goes to the club about 4 times a week. So, it's a lot. It's a lot.
How often has she gotten in fights in the club?
The last year, I know of 3.
All right. You want to give me some background?
Yes. Like Katina said, we've been friends for over 25 years. We went to high school together. We hang out from time to time. Katina is the life of the party. Katina is a schemer. She likes to sue people, so I wasn't surprised that I'm here today. When we go out to eat, Katina always complains about her food or something's wrong with her food, so we can get it free or a drink. She goes out to the club with me every now and then.
Do you go 4 times a week?
No, I don't go 4 times a week.
How often do you
go? Maybe two times out of the week, which I work hard. I'm a very hard worker.
You have children?
All I have is my daughter who's 24 and a small dog. And I work hard so I can play hard.
And she plays hard, Your Honor. She really plays hard. She plays hard.
And I just don't go out. I travel also.
How about fight hard, though?
No.
Right.
I have gotten into some altercations with my ex-boyfriend.
No, at the club.
No, not at the club.
She says you fight a lot at the club.
Have you seen me fight at the club? No.
Well,
she has a temper. She has a temper also.
We're talking about
you fighting at the club. She says that you have...
She has fighting at the club with a mutual friend of mine. And at my birthday party and at my
graduation. Did you get in a fight 3 times this month at the club?
Yes.
No, I have not. To answer your question, no, Your Honor.
All right. Everything else you said, I'm with it.
Your Honor, she can't even go to the club that she frequents now because the owner doesn't even really want her there.
They kick you out the club, man.
No, matter of fact, the owner called me this morning. Thank you.
Ask her what, and then, so that tells you how much she goes. That tells you how much she goes, Your Honor. Now ask her the incident.
You might have a good point. That does demonstrate that you must be his favorite customer.
Right, might be. Right, because she's supposed to be in the club now.
You want to know where you at? Just want to make sure everything is all right because I didn't see you last night.
Since I'm supposed to be at the club, I'm actually supposed to be at work where she is not. She's at home watching Judge Mathis every day.
I do. Thank you very much. I sure do.
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Boom.
You're not DVR? You're too busy at the club.
Judge.
Yeah. You wouldn't spend your money all on at the club and the bar every night.
Your Honor,
you're able to afford a DVR to put me on. Stop spending all your money so you can afford to watch me.
Your Honor, instead of watching you, she's watching the DJ. That's who she's fighting. And the lady has told her.
Watching the DJ.
The DJ. That's who she used to deal with. And the owner has told her, do not keep doing this in this club because this is his job. Yeah. She don't get that. And the last
And he
incident,
probably has half the women coming in.
the women, and that's what she's fighting about because he has plenty of girlfriends.
DJ got plenty of women coming
He
in.
has plenty of girlfriends.
What's the purpose of being the DJ if you can't get your choice?
Exactly. That's right, Your Honor.
People who DJ for free
He
just
has
for that.
plenty of women, Your Honor.
They say,
Plenty
if you
of
want women, go and DJ. And say, well, they cost a lot of money. I'll do it for free.
She tries to be the boss of all her friends. She has a temper, and I just want her to get control of herself, and in turn, it will be control for the dog.
Plaintiff Katina Clemens is suing her former friend because she claims the defendant's dog bit her 5 times. But the defendant insists Katina provoked the dog.
Go ahead, tell me about the medical bills and the pain and suffering.
Okay, well, the pain and suffering, the medical bills.
What happened?
The medical bills, the dog, we had just went to an event where she knew that this same guy was gonna be there. And I mean, he did the death eye on her. And I was like, what in the world is the problem?
Let her finish.
And so, you know, I was like, well, me and my other friend, we were ready to go. So as the boss, like she thinks she is, I had rolled with her by mistake, shouldn't have did that. But I made sure I had 2 other friends that were there so in case she tried to act crazy. So she says to me, I said, well, we ready to go. She said, where you think y'all going at? You don't have no ride. You ride with me. As it said, you know, you're not going nowhere until I say so. Because she wanted to still be around this man. So anyway, we leave there. And we're going to her house. She just got a townhouse now. Grant you, she just had an apartment that her dog had bit someone and their owner.
Okay, so what are you suing about? What happened?
I walk into, she's showing me the townhouse. I walk into the townhouse, and the dog has known me, but I haven't seen the dog in about 2 years. The dog charges down the steps. And I'm like, Lenine, get the dog. She's standing there pretty much laughing. I done pulled the curtains down. I done ran up the steps. I'm bleeding. She's still standing there. Bit me 5 times, Your Honor. I have blood everywhere. Yes, it is. I have the medical records. I have the x-rays.
So what happened after that?
Yes, and the text messages.
Obviously, she agreed to pay your medical bills and has it. Let me hear from you, young lady, about the dog.
Okay, on the way to take Tina home, she stated to me, let's stop past your house. I want to see your new place. Well, as we were walking into the door, my dog was already in the house. When we walked in the door, the dog came from down the steps, and he walked to me, then he walked to Tina. When he walked to Tina, she went to, I guess, sniff Tina, and Tina went to pet Diamond, and that's when Diamond did bite Tina. I couldn't get the dog because Tina was running to get up the steps, and we're bundling around. And
why do you think the dog bit her?
Tina has a dog also. Tina has been around my dog before with no problems. I believe that the dog smelled Tina's dog on her.
You didn't like her dog?
I guess the scent of the dog, I'm not sure. And that's when the dog attacked Tina.
Ask her about the other people.
And then after that.
You don't tell me how to do my job. That's going to be my next question. Okay, I'll get to that now. Has your dog bitten other people?
No. What happened?
Never?
No. I have a statement right here that what happened was that incident she's talking about, and I told her about the incident. I lived in an apartment complex. I was walking my dog on a leash. We're walking around the corner. Another dog came out of nowhere. The 2 dogs got to fighting. While I'm trying to break up the dog other owner came. The dogs were fighting. Both of us are trying to get away from the dog. The lady did get bit. We don't know which dog bit the lady. We reported it. They took an incident report. My other neighbor was out there also.
Any other incident you know of?
Yes, she lived in Charlotte, and she was telling me I'm hurt at home. She's telling me that when she lived in Charlotte, she had a girlfriend over, and just a friend of hers, and the girl was at the computer, and she was laughing.
All right,
she said
the dog bit the girlfriend at the computer. That didn't happen?
The same girl no, it did not. The same, she was playing with the dog, and they were playing.
And the dog bit her?
No, she did not.
So what? What happened then? What are you referring to then?
Right.
The computer incident she's referring to. What happened?
My friend was not at the computer, Your Honor. We were sitting on the couch. My other girlfriend, she was playing with the dog. That's it. So I don't know what she's referring to.
What is that newsworthy to tell her about? Long time ago when I lived in Charlotte, my friend was over and was playing with the dog.
Yeah, what happened?
I've never lived in Charlotte.
Nothing happened. It's just playing with the dog. I just thought you should know that. She was the only one ever to play with the dog. So that's the newsworthy part, I suppose.
And the dog has known me, but I haven't seen the dog in about 2 years. The dog charges down the steps. And I'm like, Lenine, get the dog.
Plaintiff Katina Clemens is suing her former friend because she claims the defendant's dog bit her 5 times. But the defendant insists Katina provoked the dog.
Is there a reason that you shouldn't have to pay?
Yes, I do have a reason because I feel like I offered to pay the medical bill. I have yet to see the medical bill. She asked me for the dog shot records. I gave her the shot records. Tina also stated to me that she's complaining of pain and suffering.
Everything you just mentioned, you got it. $3,000 for the
Thank
plaintiff.
you.
There
Thank
it is
you, Your
right
Honor.
there.
I love watching you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And you need to grow up, girl.
Listen.
Thank you.
Go to hell. How about that? Go to hell. And you ain't got to
Thank you,
talking about a
sweetie.
friend. What friend?
Appreciate you.
Girl, kiss my ass.
Your friends are at the club, boo. Get a life.